In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DeepSider to Chrome. We'll walk through the official way to install it, make sure it shows up where you expect, and get you ready to use its AI tools right inside your browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. The process works best on the desktop version of Chrome. With Chrome open, head to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official catalog for extensions. Once you're there, look for the search box at the top and type DeepSider. You should see the extension appear in the results. Before you install, take a moment to confirm you're on the legitimate listing. Check the star ratings, read a few recent reviews, and look at the permissions it requests. This quick check helps you avoid lookalike or malicious copies and ensures you're installing something you trust. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome on the DeepSider page. A confirmation window will pop up describing what the extension can access. Review those details, and if you're comfortable, click Add extension to confirm. Chrome will download the files and complete the installation automatically. After the install finishes, the DeepSider icon will appear in your toolbar near the top right of Chrome. It may take a moment to show up the first time, so give it a second. Once you see the icon, click it. This opens a handy sidebar where DeepSider lives, so you can use AI tools alongside the page you're viewing. If the extension asks you to sign in, follow the prompts to log into your account. Some features may require authentication to personalize results or sync your usage across devices. After you're signed in, you can start using the AI tools directly in your browser from that sidebar. A quick but important reminder, like any browser extension, DeepSider can access certain browsing data related to the pages it interacts with. Only proceed if you're comfortable with that and you trust the developer. Unfortunately, some AI extensions have been abused in the past, so it's smart to double-check reviews and the listed permissions before installing. And that's it. You've opened Chrome, gone to the Chrome Web Store, searched for DeepSider, added it to Chrome, confirmed the install, found the icon, opened the sidebar, signed in if needed, and you're ready to go. Enjoy exploring AI tools right where you browse.